So welcome back. As I've stated that I'll do part 2 for the cardboard earrings. So these cardboard earrings are made with a fashion print from the magazine. I cannot remember which magazine it was, but it was a fashion magazine. So I had lots of painted the back, acrylic paint. Yeah, I think so. It was glitter paint. So, and I've added seed beads to add a few more details to this one. I believe this is 3 inches. Okay. Also, paper, cardstock, not wood, but cardstock. And I drew the pattern and painted on here using acrylic paint, using black and white acrylic paint. So, yeah, and added red seed bead to give further emphasis and details to this whole assembly. Oh, and also the shape of it. This is why I like paper jewelry, cardboard jewelry. You can shape them. You can shape them. It's not going to lose its form, basically. So I love this. This is a favorite of mine. Let me show you these pair. So these are another pair. I used cardstock. Or was it card? Yeah. So I used cardstock, and this cardstock is. As well as the fact that I was so inspired by the idea to just express myself just like that, because words are so powerful, and when you read what the words are saying, if you were to ever ask about the earring, it's a good conversational piece where you can actually talk and say a few words about the idea behind the earring, and if it actually means anything. And pretty much what I do create means a lot, so especially for me. And these are paper and cardstock earring. Painted the back in acrylic as well. Yeah. So another favorite. I just like these. They're all 3 inches, I guess these ones are. Now these are from a magazine. The image, I just cut out the image, which is a brick wall background from the fashion mag. Also painted it in acrylic paint at the back. Made sure to do the sides or the edges, and to add further details I gave a bit of color by adding some green and red beads, and to keep it in line for everything to come into its own, I just added a natural looking wood bead, right, to match or to complement the actual earring. So these are like 3.5, I believe, because of the seed bead and beaded details. Another favorite. This is another text cardstock, calligraphy text written cardstock, but the actual cardstock here is tan or brown. So I love these because they do match the shade and the tone of my skin. So yeah, at the back I just painted acrylic paint and glitter. So yeah, very nice. And added bead details as well. Okay, these are my ultimate favorite pair of earrings. They mean so much to me. Spiritually, it means a lot, because horses, they are power and strength. Also, peace. They mean a lot of stuff to me. horses, you'll find that they're always in battles as well. You won't take a cow, or you won't take a donkey or a camel to a battle. You'll take a horse to the battle. And that's the back. I've painted in acrylic paint and gave some stripes for added detail. But I love these seed beads. I gave glass seed beads to this one, right? And the image, so the image, where did I get this image from? From an old picture frame. So basically, because it was losing its color somehow and was being thrown out, but I admired the actual picture so much because of the horses. And also I must say I was given a dream as well, and in the dream I dreamt horses. From it, because at least I can remember the dream whenever I look at these, and to remember my spiritual journey as well, because it's not been so easy. But yeah, these are one of my favorite, and all of these are lightweight, by the way, because they're cardboard I'd say, so they're very lightweight. So thank you so much for watching, and as I say, I may include in the next tutorial how I've made these ones, because these ones are not cardboard. These are just paper earrings, paper and acrylic earrings. So I might include a tutorial on this, and also how I do cardstock and cardboard, I think, as well, and just show you the different aspects to each pairs that I've shown you. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you enjoyed this really quick video, which is a show and tell on my earrings. So thank you so much for watching, and yeah, thank you.